Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is addition and subtraction of fractions. I will explain you how to add and subtract fractions. Question number 1, 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. So there are two methods to add and subtract fractions. You can also take LCM of these two fractions, or you can make their denominators same. So I will solve these questions by making denominator same. How you will make denominator same? By you can say by multiplying it. Like if you will multiply 2 with 3, it will become 6, and if you will multiply 3 with 2, it will become 6. So this is the way how you will make denominator same. So I will multiply 1 by 2. 1 will also be multiplied with 3 and 2 will also be multiplied with 3. Both numbers will be multiplied with the other number. Plus 2, as 3 has to multiply with 2, so we will multiply this 2 with 2 as well. So both numbers, numerators and denominators, should be multiplied with this number. And here 1 by 2 has to multiply with 3. Okay, so now what we will do, 2 will be multiplied with 2 and 3 will be multiplied with 2. So what is the answer? 3 1 the 3 over 3 to the 6 plus 2 to the 4 and 3 to the 6. Now you can see that now our denominator is same. Now you can easily add the numerators. If your denominators are same, you can easily add the numerators. So 3 plus 4 will be added, but denominator you will write once. You will not add the denominators, you will just write the denominator once because they are same. So what is the answer? 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 over 6. So here you have to check, don't leave your answer here as it is. If your numerator is bigger than denominator, you have to convert your answer in mixed fraction. Like 7 will be divided by 6, 6 1 is 6, 1. So what is the answer? 1 whole 1 by 6. Question number 2, 4 by 10 plus 4 by 5. So in this question you can see that if we will multiply 5 with 2, we can get 10. So this is the way we can make the denominator same, by just multiplying this fraction with 2, because 10 is the multiple of 5. That's why we just need to multiply this fraction with 2 and we will get our denominator same. So 4 by 10 will remain as it is, plus 4 will be multiplied with 2 and 5 will be multiplied with 2. So 4 by 10 as it is, plus 4 to the 8 over 10. Now you can see our denominators are same. We can easily add now. 4 plus 8. We will write now these numbers in single fraction like that. Like we will write 10 once and numerators will be added. So 8 plus 4, 12 over 10. So as I told you, if your numerator is bigger than denominator, you have to divide it. You have to convert your answer in mixed fraction. So 12 into 10, 1. So your answer is 1 whole. First of all, you can also simplify it. Like you can see 12 and 10 comes in the table of 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10, 6 by 5. First of all, if you have to see check that whether we can simplify this fraction or not. If you can simplify, then first of all simplify and then you have to divide. Now still you can see that numerator is bigger, so you will just divide it. So your answer is 1 whole 1 by 5. Okay. Question number 3, we will do next two questions of subtraction. So 4 by 6 minus 5 by 18. Okay, so as we can see that if we will multiply, 18 is the multiple of 6, so we just need to multiply this fraction with 3 and we will get our denominator same. If we will just multiply 6 with 3, it will become 18 and our denominators will become same. So 4 will be multiplied with 3 and 6 will also be multiplied with 3 and 5 by 18 will remain as it is. So 4 3s are 12 over 6 3s are 18 minus 5 over 18. So now you can see our denominators are same. We can write it in single fraction, 12 minus 5 as it is, and in denominator we can just write 18 once. 12 minus 5 is 7 over 18. Here you can see that 7 is smaller than 18, like numerator is smaller than denominator, so we cannot convert it in mixed fraction. So this is our answer. Last question, I will also solve this question of subtraction. 2 by 3 minus 4 by 10. So how we will solve it? Same with the same method. As all of you can see that 3 and 10, 10 is not the multiple of 3. These are two different numbers. So in this type of question we will multiply 10 with 3 and 3 with 10. So 2 by 3 will be multiplied with 10 and 4 by 10 will be multiplied with 3. So let's start. 2 will be multiplied with 10 and 3 will be multiplied with 10 minus 4 will be multiplied with 3 and 10 will be multiplied with 3. So 2 10s are 20 over 10 3s are 30 minus 4 3s are 12 over 10 3s are 30. Now you can see that our denominators are same. Now we can easily add and subtract. So we will just write it in single fraction. 20 minus 12 over 30 and 20 minus 12 is 8 over 30. So as you can see that 8 is smaller than 30, numerator is smaller than denominator, so we can not convert it in mixed fraction. So this is our answer. So yes, so I hope you like my video. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section, and please like, share and subscribe my videos and channel. Thank you.